This is Nick. He makes music. Emma is a painter. Steve? He sells electronics. And this is a software company. They want to create a platform where Nick, Emma, Steve and many other users can build their websites and manage their things. Now, do you see all these things users are thinking about? These are entities. Each entity represents a single thing in their field. This could be a concert, a painting, an exhibition, a phone, or anything you can store data about. And since platforms want more and more users, they need to handle more and more entities. But it's impossible to implement all of them in a single platform. That's why developers classify entities and replace them with generic solutions. For example, the album, the painting, the phone and the laptop. They are all handled by a product entity. The concert, the exhibition, event entity, and so on. A new software product has been created. Unfortunately, that's not exactly what users were thinking about. Although there is some level of customization, ready-made software will never meet your exact needs. Besides having a negative impact on the performance, generic software typically becomes more complicated to use. But most important, when you use a solution everyone has access to, it's hard to stand out and express your unique brand vision. One way to differentiate your brand is by creating a software solution that no one else has. So, instead of trying to build the perfect software, we decided to create a software builder. eBuildia is a web-based interface that is using metaprogramming and AI to generate the entire source code and infrastructure of your app. You create your website entities. AI connects them in the right relations, suggests fields and behaviors. Code generators are building your website, APIs, database, all in scalable containers. Cloud ready. Welcome to next generation platform. Tutorial 1. Create a dynamic website. Navigate to website. From the bottom menu, select Edit Style. Set a background color. Add an app bar. Set an elevation level. Set padding. Pick an app bar color. We just created a simple website layout. Now go to My Cloud page. Here you can manage, scale and deploy your containers. Currently, you have one static container, which is hosting your website. To create dynamic content, go to the Service Builder. Each service is an API. It exposes an application's data and functionalities. Create a music shop service. Choose a backend language for your API. Now, if you go to My Cloud page, you will see a new container where Music Shop service is running. But let's go there and create our first entity, album. Entities are fundamental units of eBuildia. Each entity has its own API endpoint, which is storing records to a database table. This table may have one or more fields of different types. Beside their database nature, entities can implement different behaviors, like image up, play entity, sell entity, share, and so on. Finally, you can have relations with other entities and choose a database type. Leave all empty and create the entity. eBuildia will auto-suggest album fields. Behaviors to set album's price and upload audio. Apply them and go to the admin panel. You have new tab called Album. Click Create. Set title. Summary. Price. Upload picture. You just created your first album. Now let's create an artist entity. AI suggests that many albums can be associated to one artist. Apply the database relation. Apply the other fields and behaviors. Create concert entity. Resellers. Reseller needs to authenticate to your system and affects the album's pricing. Promotion. It also affects your pricing. Subscriber. It requires an email and name fields. Congratulations, we just created all service entities. Now you can go to the admin panel and enter your data. First, register new reseller. Then, schedule a Christmas promotion. Define some concerts. Create our music artists. Finally, we are ready to enter the albums. You can associate album to its artist. You have different price for each reseller. Different price for each promotion. Now let's go back to our website and apply our entities. Apply artists as grid items view. Style the front-end entities. Create albums grid view. If you click on some artist, it will navigate you to his albums. You can directly edit the content from the front end. Add concerts as list view. Add subscription form. Style it. Test your form. Thanks for watching.